Are you tired of dealing with lost, damaged, or delayed luggage during your travels? Worry no more. In this video, we'll share our top luggage hacks to ensure your safe travels. From packing tips to clever ways to keep your belongings secure, we've got you covered. Learn how to avoid common luggage mistakes, protect your valuables, and make the most out of your travel experience. With these expert-approved luggage hacks, you'll be able to travel with confidence and peace of mind. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start packing like a pro. Choose durable luggage materials. One of the easiest ways to protect your belongings is to invest in durable, high-quality luggage. Hard-shell suitcases made of polycarbonate or aluminum are your best bet. They can withstand rough handling at airports and protect your items from damage caused by compression or impact. For instance, polycarbonate is both lightweight and impact-resistant, making it an excellent choice for frequent travelers. According to a 2025 report by Consumer Reports, travelers who use hard-shell luggage experience 30% fewer incidents of damage compared to those with soft-sided bags. Additionally, hard-sided suitcases often come with tamper-proof zippers, adding an extra layer of security. Don't forget about color. While darker luggage hides scratches, brighter colors or unique designs can make your bag stand out on the carousel, reducing the risk of someone mistakenly taking your luggage. Pro tip: consider a suitcase with an expandable feature to accommodate souvenirs or last-minute items. Monitor your luggage during transit. Have you ever seen someone struggling to locate their overhead bin luggage after a flight? Or worse, heard about bags mysteriously disappearing mid-flight? Keeping a close eye on your belongings is essential, even in transit. The best practice is to store larger cabin bags in the bin across from your seat so you can see them. A study by the International Air Transport Association in 2024 revealed that theft of cabin luggage, though rare, has risen by 12% due to careless storage. Thieves often target bags they can easily access, while others are distracted during boarding or deplaning. Moreover, always keep essentials like wallets, passports, and electronics on your person or in a smaller, secure bag under the seat in front of you. Being mindful and strategic about your storage choices can save you from unnecessary stress and ensure your valuables are close at hand. Be cautious with luggage storage. If you ever need to store your luggage temporarily, whether at a hotel or airport, choosing a reputable service is crucial. Not all storage facilities are created equal. Some lack adequate security measures, leaving your belongings vulnerable to theft or tampering. A survey conducted by Safe Travels in early 2025 found that 20% of travelers experience issues with luggage stored in poorly managed facilities, including theft or damage. Use storage services that offer secure, monitored areas with individual lockers or tagging systems. Additionally, label your luggage with your full name and destination, but avoid including too much personal information, such as your home address, to protect your privacy. For added peace of mind, use tamper-evident locks or tags that will alert you if someone has tried to access your bags. Always double-check the facility's reviews before entrusting them with your belongings. Keep a packing list. It may seem old school, but a packing list can be your travel lifesaver. Not only does it help you pack efficiently, but it also serves as a reference if your luggage gets lost. Imagine arriving at your destination only to realize you left your favorite jacket or prescription medication behind. Keeping a detailed list of every item, including its approximate value, is a smart move. According to a 2025 travel habits report by Expedia, 65% of travelers said they wished they had a packing list when filing claims for lost luggage. Apps like PackPoint or digital note-taking tools can simplify this process, allowing you to check items off as you pack. Plus, the list makes unpacking at your destination easier. You'll know exactly what's in your bag and where to find it. Trust us, future. You will thank you for this small but impactful preparation. Stay informed about airline policies. Every airline has its own set of baggage rules, and these can vary widely depending on your destination and ticket class. Familiarize yourself with size, weight, and fee structures before heading to the airport. In 2025, airlines like Delta and Emirates introduced dynamic pricing for checked luggage, meaning fees can fluctuate based on demand and flight load. Ignoring these details could lead to surprise charges or delays. For example, exceeding weight limits can cost up to $100 in additional fees on some airlines. To avoid this, weigh your luggage at home and consider purchasing extra weight allowances in advance. It's often cheaper online. Additionally, many airlines now offer real-time baggage tracking through their apps, giving you peace of mind by showing your luggage's location throughout your journey. Staying informed helps you travel smarter and ensures your trip starts on the right note. Avoid overpacking. Overpacking is one of the most common travel mistakes, and it can cost you both time and money. Not only does an overweight bag mean extra fees, but it also makes your luggage more prone to damage. Straining zippers, crushing fragile items, or causing the bag to burst open are all risks associated with cramming too much into a suitcase. The key is to pack light but smart. Use techniques like the capsule wardrobe approach. Choose a few versatile pieces of clothing that can be mixed and matched. Compression bags or vacuum-sealed pouches can also help maximize space without overloading your bag. A 2025 study by Travel and Leisure found that travelers who packed light reported 50% less stress during trips, as they didn't have to worry about dragging around heavy luggage or paying overweight fees. Less truly is more when it comes to stress-free travel. Use distraction wallets and anti-theft bags. In high-traffic tourist areas, pickpocketing is a real concern, and airports are no exception. One of the most ingenious ways to protect your valuables is by using distraction wallets. These decoy wallets contain a small amount of cash and expired cards, designed to divert attention from your actual wallet. When paired with anti-theft bags equipped with slash-proof straps, lockable zippers, and radio frequency identification blocking technology, you create a foolproof system for safeguarding your essentials. A 2025 safety report by the World Tourism Organization highlighted that travelers using anti-theft bags experienced a 60% reduction in pickpocket incidents. Additionally, keep your distraction wallet in an easily accessible spot, like your back pocket, while securing your real wallet in a hidden compartment of your bag. This strategy not only protects your valuables, but also gives you peace of mind as you explore. Protect your valuables. Your valuables deserve extra attention, especially when it comes to checked luggage. Items like electronics, jewelry, or important documents should ideally travel in your carry-on. If you must pack them in your suitcase, wrap them securely in clothing to cushion them from impact. According to the 2025 Airline Consumer Report, 18% of reported luggage thefts involved high-value items stored in checked bags. Consider using a disguised container for valuables, like a hollowed-out toiletry bottle, to deter opportunistic thieves. Distributing these items throughout your luggage can also minimize potential loss. Moreover, always declare high-value items to your travel insurance provider to ensure they're covered in case of theft or damage. Being proactive can save you from significant financial and emotional stress later. Secure your luggage with locks. Nothing says secure like a reliable luggage lock. Transportation Security Administration approved locks are a must-have, as they allow airport security to inspect your bag without damaging the lock itself. In 2025, new models of Transportation Security Administration locks feature built-in alarms that activate if tampering is detected, an excellent deterrent for would-be thieves. For added security, consider using numbered cable ties, which make it easy to spot if someone has accessed your bag. According to a recent report by the National Travel Security Association, properly locked luggage is 40% less likely to be tampered with during transit. If you're traveling to high-risk areas, you might even consider a smart lock that connects to your smartphone, enabling you to track your bag's location and receive alerts if it's moved without your knowledge. A secure lock isn't just peace of mind, it's a statement that your belongings are off limits. Thanks for watching, Travel Pros. If you found these luggage hacks helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on expert travel tips. Share this video with your fellow Globetrotters, and let's make every trip smooth and stress-free. Happy travels!